Hey you guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make some healthy drink to maintain your weight, guys. As you guys know, everyone is trying to watch their weights and things like that. So here I have one whole cucumber and I have one lime because I didn't have lemon. So I have one lime that I cut into pieces, and here I have ginger. So yeah, so that's what I have here. And I also have crushed pineapple. This is the 100% juice, no sugar, yeah, no GMO, no nothing. So I couldn't find the fresh pineapple, so I got this instead. So okay. And I also have this natural 100% coconut water. So I'm gonna be adding that, no sugar added and all of that. So I'm going to be adding this to it as well. Okay. And I'm also gonna add apple cider vinegar here into the mixture, and also a little bit of cayenne pepper. If I can find my cayenne pepper, I will use it. Okay, so then I'm gonna use a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna use my Ninja blender to do this, but you can use any blender that you have. And I'm also going to put that into my container. I will drink it in the morning and at night before I go to bed. Okay, so I empty this whole jar. I'm also gonna add cayenne pepper to the mixture. Let's see now. I'm gonna add my ingredients in here. And I'm also going to add my crushed pineapple. And I'm going to put like 2 or 3 tablespoons of this Bragg apple cider vinegar. But you can make whatever fruits that you like. So I added 2 tablespoons of apple cider. So now what we're going to do is just gonna blend, and then to a smoothie consistency. So I am done blending this up. I'm gonna take some and put it right like this, and then the rest I'll just put it in here and let it chill. You can use this for breakfast and before you go to bed or before you go to the gym and stuff like that. So it can literally keep you full. So that is it, guys. So this is what I have been doing. I have more recipes coming. Yeah, so we are trying to be healthy and then go to the gym as well. So yes guys, let me know what you think about this. And like I said, if you don't want to use the crushed pineapple, you can use fresh, but I couldn't find a fresh one, so it's always a substitute for. You guys, this tastes so good. And also, if you don't want to use a coconut water, you can use regular water. So I just feel like because it's 100% natural, coconut water, no GMO, non-GMO, and everything else, so it won't hurt. But if you prefer to use water, you can as well. So guys, yes, let me know what you think about this. If you'd like to see more videos on this, let me know. Like I said, this is my second time making this this drink, and I like it, whatever I did. So yeah, whatever I did, these are very, very affordable ingredients you can find. You can find this at Walmart for like $2 something. You can find a cayenne pepper from the Dollar Tree. I got this from Dollar Tree as well, and I also got this, and you can get this at Dollar Tree as well. And yes guys, so everything that I made, basically, if you don't, apple cider as well, Dollar Tree has, it's not the Bragg ones, but it's just the regular apple cider. You can use that, which is the darker one, not this one. You can use the darker one, not this one. So you can also find the Bragg, the mother, if I'm not mistaken, at Dollar Tree as well. So all of these things are very, very affordable if you're looking. So again, y'all know this channel is very, very affordable, so I try to bring you guys things that are affordable as well. So okay guys, let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.